All right, let's do some physics today. And we are at winter. No, it's October, November 2024 paper. So it was last year. No, it's just a few months ago. Now, question number 5. Two particles P and Q of masses 2m kilogram and m kilogram respectively are held at rest in the same vertical line. Hai cái particle này nó được giữ ở lúc mà nó đứng yên ở cùng một cái đường mà thẳng đứng, in the same vertical line, not horizontal line, but vertical line. The height of P and Q above horizontal ground are 1 meter, 2 meter respectively. Cái độ cao của P và Q bên trên cái mặt đất thẳng đứng trên mặt đất là là 1 mét, còn Q là trên 2 mét. P is projected vertically upward with speed 2 meter. Cái P nó được phóng dọc lên bên trên với cái vận tốc là 2 mét trên giây. At the same instant, Q is released from rest. Cùng lúc đó thì Q được thả ra từ lúc rest. Thì là you have to find the speed of each particle immediately before they collide. Tìm vận tốc của từng particle ngay tức khắc trước khi chúng va chạm. It's 4 marks. And so what are you going to do with this one then? Remember, you're not provided the mass yet.
What is already? Yeah, it
It's
does
a
have.
2m and an m, yeah. So what should you do when you see collision, something like this?
Momentum.
Apply the conservation of momentum.
Yeah.
So
We will
what do
use
you
the.
say? So what do you say? So like momentum before equal to momentum after, right? But
Yeah.
the problem is you don't know what happened after they collide, you know? So we don't know what happens after that. So
So
can we do momentum now? I don't think so, right?
no. I think we use Subat.
Are you sure it's a good idea?
Hmm.
Okay, there are several ways to do this one, but I would suggest the energy methods, like the
Energy.
change in KE1, the change in KE equal to the change in gravitational potential energy of the whole system. I think, I don't know, it's 4 marks. You tried it out, okay? They are, if you can try Suvat, try it. Why not?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, 4 marks. All right, let's see like how it's gonna be.
Yeah.
So basically, tell me the result and I'll check it for you. So
V.
it's like for what? They say
V.
at least you find a 2 Newton, I think.
No, we do question 5.
Oh wait, sorry. I look at the wrong one, you see.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, there's so many alternatives for this question. For question 5, it should be 3 meter per second and 5 meter per second must be positive, okay? Cả hai là positive hết nha. Okay. Nói chung là nó nói speed cho nên chắc chắn phải là positive, nhưng mà velocity có thể negative được nha.
Yeah.
Remember the actual speed, not velocity, so it must be positive. So let's say speed of P up equal to what's it? 2t minus what Suvat, right?
Yeah. Subat.
Okay. I think there must be another way to do this one, you know? Or maybe I'm just wrong. Anyway, for question B, is it given that immediately after the collision, the downward speed of Q is 3.5? So find the speed of P at the instant that it reaches the ground. So of course, both of them will move down, right? Đương nhiên là khi nó va chạm như vậy, một cái nó đi xuống thì đương nhiên là đập một phát là cả hai cái phải đi xuống luôn, tại vì trọng lực mà.
Yeah.
Ngay tức khắc sau cái va chạm này, cái tốc độ đi xuống của Q là 3.5, thì mình phải tìm cái tốc độ của P ở ngay cái thời điểm nó đụng vào cái mặt đất thôi. So it means that you have to find like Okay, so basically P, it's 1 meter above the ground and it's projected vertically to reach the Q. So, okay, you have to find the speed of P at the instant it reaches the ground. So basically, it's 5 marks. It's a long way, to be honest with you. So what are you
Mm-hmm.
gonna do? You have the speed from part A, you have the speed of them um, immediately before they collide already. And of course, when it reaches the ground, no, no.
We put the
Nếu mà
we
mình
put
bảo
the
là động lượng
we,
đi thì là if you use the conservative momentum, you can know the speed of P right after it's collide, right?
yeah, we use
And also you use that to get to the speed of V, reach the ground something, right? Nhưng mà the problem is, I think, you don't know the distance when it collide until it reaches the ground. You don't know that.
yeah, we know. We put the T into the P equation.
We know. Okay, yeah, it's possible. So it's 5 mark. I think it's 5 marks, not easy to get. Okay, let's
Yeah.
try it. Let's just try it and then we'll see. All right, so basically for part B, if you found V equal to 3.75, yes, yeah, 3.75, or you can say, wait a moment, there are two parts. They say V equal to 5.39 here.
Mm.
But over here, they say V equal to 335. What is this one? I don't understand. Lúc đầu nói chung là dùng bảo toàn động lượng đúng như mình nói luôn nè. They use conservation
Yeah.
momentum, and then this one must be the speed that right after the collision, right?
Yeah.
And then they say that this may be seen in part A, but do not award the mark until stated in part used in part B. Tức là nó tìm ra được cái quãng đường là bên trên cái mặt đất khi mà hai cái này đụng nhau nè. So okay. But either way, they use that for, yes, for this one, and they get V equal to 5.39. You get the same result?
Yeah, I got the same result.
Okay, great. Let's move on to number 6. Oh, look at this. You know what to do.
Oh yeah.
A particle P travel in a straight line starting from point O with a velocity 6 meter per second. They give you the velocity, huh?
Mm-hmm.
The acceleration of P at time t second after leaving O is a meter per second square. Okay, where this one applies. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, find the
we
velocity of P at t equal to 1. So P equal to 1, it means this one applies. Okay, so 3 marks. And also, given that there's no change in velocity of P at t equal to 1, so does it mean that no acceleration? Không có sự thay
mm,
đổi về vận tốc của Pi khi mà t bằng 1, tức là t bằng 1 thì a bằng không, không có acceleration luôn. Find an expression for the velocity of P for t bigger than 1 is 3 marks. Tìm một cái biểu đạt nào đó cho vận tốc của Pi khi mà t lớn hơn 1. Wow. Can't you just like basically integral this one?
yeah. I think we need to integral both equation.
Yes, but
Mm-hmm.
ủa nhưng mà khoan nha. Nó kêu là tìm biểu đạt cho cái velocity của Pi khi mà t lớn hơn 1 thôi mà, còn này chỉ là t nhỏ hơn hoặc bằng 1 mà. I mean, yeah, let's try it, but this one is 3 marks, so 6 marks, and then this is 10. Okay, see, given that velocity p is positive for t smaller than 4, khi t nhỏ hơn bằng hoặc bằng 4 thì là vận tốc của p nó phải dương. Have to find a total distance traveled between t equal to 0 and t equal to 4, so that will be a long way, yeah?
Yeah.
But it's only 4 marks. How stingy. Anyway, let's do this one, the case. Okay, so you finish all of them. Find velocity at p equal to t equal to 1. That should be 5 meters per second.
5 meters per second. Yeah, correct.
For part B, they say find an expression for velocity at p for t bigger than 1. That should be this one. V equal to t to the power of 3 over 2 minus 6t to the power of half plus 10. Do you have the same expression?
Yeah, I have the same.
Good. And for part C, oh, wait, what? For part C, tổng distance. Okay, find the total distance. First step integration. Okay, for either section. For use of limits here. Okay. At least you find a 20 meters, fine. It's 20 meter and yeah, it's 20 meter in total.
Okay.
You have it? You found 20?
Yeah, I found it.
20. Okay, so number 7 is the last one in this paper and should be difficult. Okay, whoa, what's this? Two particle A and B of masses 0.2 kilogram and 0.3 kilogram respectively attached to the ends of a light cylindrical string. The string passes over a small fixed smooth pulley which is attached to bottom of a rough plane. Incline at the angle theta. Okay, mình cho cái sin theta này là 0.6. So 0.6, well, you should, um, what is that? 0.6, right? So it is 36.9 degree. Particle A lies on the plane, particle B hangs vertically below the pulley, 0.25 meter above horizontal ground, string between A and B, parallel to this line. Okay. The coefficient that you have the mu is what? Why the mu is so hot? It's so big.
Hmm.
Wow, it's the first time I've seen like mu like bigger than 1 here. It must be a very, very rough plane or something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Particle is released from rest and then find the tension of the string, the magnitude or acceleration of the particles. Tìm lực căng dây tê trong cái string này và cái biên độ hay tìm độ lớn của cái acceleration của những particle này. So it's 7 marks. So what are you gonna do first?
Hmm. I think we need to find acceleration first.
Yes, but you have to draw it out, all the forces down, and also
Hmm.
the reaction force, and then the friction acting in this way. Friction đưa phía bên trên. And then what else?
And then we use
Tension. Of course, there's a tension
tension.
pulling. Is the tension the same thing for this object and the other object? Hai cái tension đối với cái A, cái tension đối với cái B nó có giống nhau không ta?
Hmm.
Should be the same, right?
Yeah, maybe.
I think, okay, should be the same, of course. Okay, and then what happens here? B is pulled out by only gravity and pulled up by tension. Nó kéo xuống bởi cái gravity của nó và cái tension nó đưa nó lên.
Mm-hmm.
And then particle A is released from rest. So yeah, just go down and then this one will go down as well. Nếu mà nó go down như vậy, cái tension nó sẽ giảm để cho cái bi này cũng rớt xuống luôn.
Okay.
But I'm asking like when B reaches the ground, it comes to rest. Okay. Find the total distance that A traveled down the plane from when it's released until it comes to rest. You may assume that A does not reach a pulley. Tức là cái A này nó không có đụng vào cái pulley đâu, nó chỉ đi đến một cái mức nào đó thôi trên đây thôi. Nó sẽ dừng lại, mình phải tìm cái khoảng cách đó. Interesting. Tức là cái khoảng cách cái A đi được á, nó cũng chính là cái khoảng cách mà cái B nó chạm được đất là 0,25, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it the same thing? Why is it so easy? Đó? 4 marks.
Oh,
Hay nó
that's
vô
seven.
lý, hay nó vô lý.
That's 7 more. Yeah.
I mean, how could it be like that? Total distance A travel down a plane. Uh-huh. Ủa sao kỳ vậy? If it's 4 mark, how could it be easy? This could be 0.25, no? let me see. Um, they say it should be 0.25 and plus 0.4 it should be 0.65. It's not the same. Nó phải cộng thêm một cái khúc gì đó nữa.
Oh,
But I think this one is not easy because first thing first, this A moves down. Okay, never mind. It's 7 mark, but it's not easy. Okay, let's just try this one.
okay.
All right, let's see. So for part A, they say A is 4.8 meter per second square, must be positive. Yes, of course. Because it's accelerating. And then T equal to 1.56. Just plug this one in there and you attempt to find the T. You have the same result?
Yeah, I have the same result with this one.
Okay, and then part B, when B reaches the ground, it comes to rest. Find total distance a travel data plane. When from where does it leave until it comes to rest. Hiểu rồi, tại vì biết sao không? Cái cái khoảng cách nếu mà cái này nó đụng vào đất đi 0,25 đi thì cái khúc này á liệu nó có đi là 0,25 không? Không. It's not really because what I think I suspect that the string is no longer taut, it's not like maximum tension anymore. Cái sợi
Mm-hmm.
dây nó sẽ bị trùng đi, nó không có taut, nó không có căng nữa mà nó sẽ bị gọi là trùng đi á, cho nên mình bắt buộc phải tìm cái distance nó như vậy đó.
Oh,
So yeah, that's why it's like it's gonna be nè, nó câu B nó kêu là có thể dùng using energy nè, hoặc là dùng Newton second law when string becomes slack nè, nó become slack nha, đúng như mình nghĩ luôn á, become slack. Nhưng mà miễn sao kiếm là không không sao 0.65 mét là được. Okay, let's try that. Okay, wait a moment, so let's check this one and get it done with. So do you get 0.65 meter?
oh yeah, 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 yeah. Already.
Okay, so let's move on to a new paper here. Okay, you just sent me for November 2020. Here,
Right.
November, October 2020, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's quickly do question number one. Is it the same?
No, it's not the same. I think this paper is new.
New? Interesting. Okay, let's just do it then. October,
Sure.
November 2020. Okay, so write down momentum of P and then well, find the speed of Q after collision. Yeah, should be fast for question number one.
Okay.
Okay, a car of mass 1800 kilograms traveling along a straight horizontal road. You given the power of the car engine. It's constant. They say it's constant. There's a constant resistance to motion. Okay, you have to find the power of car engine.
Okay.
Given car acceleration is this one, when speed is this one. Nó cho A và nó cho V. Tìm ra được cái power của nó. Okay, and then B, find the steady speed, which can maintain with the engine working at this power. Thì mình phải dùng cái power câu A xong rồi tìm cái tốc độ mà cái car này có thể giữ được, tức là phải tìm ra được cái gì? Driving force.
Okay.
And then that's 5 marks. Okay. All right, let's try that. Okay, so I think this paper will be graded very harshly because these questions are difficult. Okay, block of m kilogram is held in equilibrium below a horizontal ceiling by two strings like this. Okay, this is 45 degree and then tension T Newton. This one is 60 degree and tension T is 20 Newton. You have to find the T and the M. 5 marks. I think you know what to do with this one. Just simultaneous equations and stuff, but it's 5 marks, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so first thing first,
We need to draw.
of course. So first thing first, this one is going to be
Yep.
mg Newton, and then this one, okay, T. So you should have, this is 45 degree, right? So there's going to be two components of the T here. So you know this is only like 45 also. So this is going to be, okay, so this is the hypotenuse. This one is the one next to that angle. It's going to be cosine. So this is T cosine 45. Nên là cái cạnh bên cạnh cái góc đó mà. And so this
Mm-hmm.
one is going to be T sine 45 degree. Okay. And so this one is the same thing. So you should have this one as a 20 cosine 60 degree. And you also will have this one. This is 20 sine 60. You got it now?
Mm-hmm. I
Now.
got it.
Okay, so of course, horizontally it destroy each other. Trong về cái chiều mà ngang thì đương nhiên nó sẽ triệt tiêu lẫn nhau. So you have t cosine 45 is going to be equal to the 20 cosine 60, right? So you can
Mm-hmm.
find t, it's gonna be 20 cosine 60 degree divided by cosine 45. So T should be 14.1 Newton, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And you apply that one to the equation vertical with vertical, you can find the M. I don't
Okay.
think I should tell you what to do next. It's easy now.
Sure. Yeah. This one like almost.
Why? I mean, we have done these similar things before.
No, but bởi vì là cái hình này em thấy nó lạ lạ so với lại là mấy cái kia thì
Oh, really?
yeah,
Oh,
for
I
me
see.
okay, now I
Maybe
guess it.
we should redo like a lot of past paper that we did before.
Okay.
Okay, if you found out that there you go. T is 14.1 Newton and M is 2.73. Yeah.
Okay. Same. Yeah.
Okay, great. And let's go to number 4. Cái màu xanh lá cây cũng đẹp nhỉ. Okay, number 4. Okay, so you have a velocity time graph which models the motion of a car. The graph consists of 4 straight line segments. Okay, the car accelerate constant rate 2 meters per second from rest to a speed of 20 over a period of t second. Decelerate for 5 seconds before traveling at constant speed of v meter per second for 27.5 seconds. This is 27.5, this one. The car then decelerate to rest a constant rate over a period of 5 seconds. Okay, this is 5 seconds. You have to find the t. It's 1 mark, and also given the distance travel up to the point at which the car begins to move with constant speed is 1/3. What? Of the total distance travel, find a v. Mà kiếm cái v ha là bao nhiêu, và nó biết, nó nói là cái khoảng cách travel đến cái điểm mà cái xe này nó bắt đầu nó di chuyển với cái vận tốc giữ nguyên là 1/3 của tổng cái distance này, tức là cái v cái khúc mà từ cái 20 đến cái v này nó bằng 1/3 của từ cái của 0 đến 20, tức là cái v nó có bao nhiêu đâu, 1/3 của 20 hả trời. Oh wait, is it that easy? Yeah, 4 marks? No, no
Um,
way. No way. It could be that easy. Wait a moment. How could it be? Có drawn to scale không vậy? Okay, let's just try it. But why this one is weird, right?
yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. You know what? Sometimes these kind of graph, it's easy to make mistakes, I think. Okay, T equal to 10 Newton and V equal to 12.
Mhm.
All right, so, okay. A particle is projected vertically upwards with speed 40 meters per second alongside building what? Of height h meter. Hmm. Một cái tiểu thể nhỏ nó được phóng lên bên trên, phóng dọc lên bên trên với vận tốc 40 mét trên giây dọc theo một cái tòa nhà có độ cao là h meter. Given that the particle is above the level of the top building for 4 seconds, find h. Nó cho biết được là cái particle này nó bên trên cái mức độ của đỉnh cái tòa nhà được 4 giây. Above the level of the top building for 4 seconds. They have to find the h. What?
Ừ.
Above the level of the top of the building for 4 seconds. For 4 seconds. Tức là nó vậy nè. I think it's like this. So let's imagine if this is like a house or whatever building it is. Okay, and then you are the particle just move this one and then it has to go down. And the time when it go above the level of top building is for 4 seconds. This is 4 seconds. That's what it say, I think. And you have to find the h of this one. It's this one. It's weird, right?
Yeah, it's weird.
Very weird question. um okay, so speed v, it's a very weird question indeed. And then 1 second after the first particle is projected, the second particle is projected. Nói thiệt nha, cái bài này á, nó là một cái bài phí phạm thời gian đó. I think it's a waste of time. 1 giây sau khi cái particle đầu tiên nó được phóng lên thì cái particle thứ hai được phóng lên nữa từ cái đỉnh của tòa nhà này với vận tốc 20. Oh my god, it's such a waste of time. Denoting the time after projection of the first particle by t second. Nó cho cái thời gian sau khi phóng cái particle đầu tiên là t giây đi. Tìm giá trị của t để mà hai cái particle này nó ở cùng một cái độ cao bên trên cái ground, thì có thể dùng phép tắc năng lượng như vừa rồi đi. Thật luôn á. Nó tìm được cái vận tốc lúc mà hai nó cùng cái height, thì có thể từ cái vận tốc đó mình tìm được cái t của nó. Nhưng mà bốn
Mm.
bốn điểm này là chua lắm luôn á.
Yeah.
I think it's actually very difficult to get this 4 marks to this is 8 marks. Oh my god. You know what? I think I'm busy now. So why don't just like think about this one and then we'll continue with this one next time.
Sure.
You should think about this one first, okay? This is hard.
Yeah. Okay. I know.